Welcome students. So today's experiment is determination of clotting time of blood. What is the aim? To determine the clotting time of a human subject. So before entering into the procedure of the experiment, you have to know what is clotting time. So clotting time is the length of time it takes for the blood to clot and is detected by the appearance of fibrin stream. Now, what are the requirements? So first we need sterile needles for pricking the finger. That should be 22 to 24 gauge. Next is spirit. Next we need cotton to whip up the extra blood. And last one, the most important one, that is the capillary tubes. Okay, so this is clearly visible. Now procedure. Now first of all, you have to clean the fingertip with alcohol or spirit. It is the cleaning of finger so that any germs or bacteria should be removed from the finger. We avoid the sepsis also. Now with the help of the sterile needle, a deep puncture should be done. Puncture process is going on. So now you have to whip off the first drop of blood and you have to press the finger. You have to press the finger so that the next drop of blood can flow. Now with the help of the capillary tube, you have to withdraw the blood. By introducing one end of the tube into the drop and holding the other end of the lower level. You have to hold the capillary tube between the palm. Wait for 2 minutes. You have to wait for 2 minutes in this position. Now after 2 minutes, you have to break the capillary tube 1 to 2 centimeter from one side at every 30 seconds. At every 30 seconds. Please remember it. Now after 30 seconds, again you have to break and wait for next 30 seconds to find the fibrin thread. After 30 seconds, again you have to break to find the fibrin thread. Wait for again. After 30 seconds, again the breaking of the capillary tubes will be done to fibrin. Now again after 30 seconds, still now no fibrin is found. After 30 seconds, again the capillary tube should be break so that the fibrin thread is visible. You can observe in the video that the thread is clearly visible. That is the fibrin thread. Okay, this is insoluble in nature. Now note the time at which the fibrin is formed. That will indicate the clotting time. As you were seen in the video that there are 6 intervals of capillary. Now the observation. So you have to write first the name of the subject, age, gender, date and the time of pricking. Now after that you have to draw an observation table as shown in the video. Now what are the clinical significance? So if you find that the clotting time is between 2 to 8 minutes, that means the subject has normal time of blood clotting. Now if it exceeds, so that means the patient or the subject is suffering from some pathophysiological conditions such as hemophilia, heat stroke, clotting factor deficiency, that is factor 2, factor 5 or factor 11, or even calcium deficiency. So after that you have to write down the result. So the clotting time of one's own blood 180 seconds or 3 minutes. So that's all for today. Thank you. On the next day again we will meet with some new experiment. Till then, take care.